1, 2, 3, 4, that digits which is binary means only ones and zeros. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 like that. If they give you 2000 digits, even we can store and recall. Even we can memorize 500 years calendar, we can store in our brain. That is the power of our brain. And actually, when I apply CO method, this 500 years calendar I have stored in my brain. It's in the range of 1780 up to 2280. All these 500 years calendar I have stored in my brain. In this range, if you will ask me any date, month, year, the day I can tell you within 2-3 seconds. For example, and like you ask me 17 March 1941, which day comes? Or 7th October 1977, which day comes? On 9th July 2045, within 2-3 seconds I can tell you the day on which day it comes. Okay, we'll do one thing. Usually people, they come straight, they give speech, right? Speech lectures. Now no speech, no lectures. Now we'll go for a practical live demonstration, and to show you the power of the brain and the power of this new method. C and M will go for demo. And now like what I can do, and now you can ask me your birth date, month, year you want to tell me. On which day you were born, I will tell you. So from boys side you ask me 4 questions, from girls 4, from teachers 2-3 questions. So and here you first tell me the date, then month, then year. That day I will tell you. And from boys side, those who are lost, you can raise your hand, pass. Date, month, year. Yeah. 25th March 2011 is Thursday. Would be the Thursday. Guruvara, right? Next. 28th February 2011 Monday. Somewhere, right? Monday. Next.
4th April 2000.
4th April 2000 Sunday. Barbara. Next. Come girls, 3 questions. Yeah.
Classes is going to
4th January 2011 Mangalwara. 9th February 2011 Thursday. Guruvara. 22nd October 2011 Sunday. Barbara. From teachers, any date, month, year. Teachers, any date, any month, year. Manage date of the
8th November 1978.
8th
November
November
1978.
1978 is a Wednesday. Guruvara. Wednesday. Next.
31st August 1989.
31st August 89 Thursday.
6/7/1986.
6th July 1986 Sunday. Barbara. Sunday. Okay, I will stop now. I will stop. Boys, girls, look here now. Listen. One more thing I told you. If you use rote method by heart, within a second, and you recall. Suppose if you go and ask people the date of this month, April, they go and check, right, calendar. Not 1 month, not 1 year. 500 years calendar we can store in our brain. Listen, our brain has got tremendous power. In fact, we are using just 4 to 5% of our brain's power. Scientists, they are using 7 to 9% of brain's power. Till now, 90% of brain power no one has used till now. If you use your brain 2% more, you can become a scientist. But thing is, before using your brain, you should know about your brain, how your brain works, how your brain stores, how it recalls. If you know about your brain, then you can use your brain effectively. You can study smarter, you can store and recall things.